To access our fulfillment store, go to the app drawer in the top right. Then at the bottom, click Fulfillment Store. This is our storefront. On the left, you can find a list of subscriptions available. This includes social posting, SEO, listings, Google Ads, Facebook ads, and content. All of these are fulfillment services that the DashClicks team will fulfill monthly. The exception to this is the Listings Manager service. This is a self-service option that you can use within the Analytics app. When you select a service that you want to purchase, all of the available plans will appear on the right. You can see that they are a monthly subscription, as well as the monthly rate, along with the cost for setup. If you need to learn more about a plan, click Learn More underneath Buy. Here you can find information, a gallery, our case studies for the service, reviews, and an FAQ. When you find a plan that you like, you can click Buy in the top right corner. Next, you must select a business. You can select your business, which will always have the tag, "This is my account," or select a sub-account business. If you need to add a new business, you can do so using this button here. This will bring up the Create Business menu. After you select your business, click Add to Cart. Notice that your cart in the top right now has the item. When you're ready, click Checkout. You will arrive at the checkout page. Here, you can update your quantity, remove an item by hovering over it and clicking this X, or if you're ready, click Continue. You will now select your payment method. If you have one on file, you can select it from the drop-down that appears. If you do not have a card, you will see Add New Card. Enter your payment method and then agree to the terms and conditions. Then click Add Card. You will have one final opportunity to review your order. If you're satisfied, click Place Your Order.